is I now have an online school on Teachable. If you go to my link tree, you will get all of the links, including that new course that it's a school that I'm offering. It's not a competition for other schools. It's not going to cover all of the things that other schools cover. It's a gap filler and a complementary additional courses that you can take in addition to that. So I'm not going to teach you the foundational UX scientific methods, okay? That if you want to become a UX designer, you'll still need to learn those scientific methods, and those scientific methods are going to be the same regardless of what platform you use. So it's fine to go ahead and take a traditional UX class for that. These classes are teaching you the differences in that traditional course plus how I do things. So the first course, if you're thinking about if you're not sure that XR UX design is right for you, transitioning into XR UX design is the free course that I'm offering. It's a mini course. It doesn't take very long to complete at all. And I am going to be adding more courses. It takes a lot of effort to do this, so it will take time for me to add more. I'm going to be adding more, and it's going to be a lot of more diving in, rolling up sleeves, and diving in to learn stuff the way that I learned. So it's not going to be your normal, like how you learn in college. It's going to be my method of learning, and it's a very effective, at least for me, method, and I'm hoping that it's effective for you. But if you want to go ahead and take this introductory course, if you don't know anything about XR, if you don't know anything about like the differences in XR for UX for XR versus 2D, this is a nice little intro course that you can learn what are the differences in all the different technologies. There's a preview of the syllabus, so you can see. So go ahead, check that out. It is free again, and it only takes maybe a couple hours. It depends on how long you want to spend and absorb. Because I do have a lot of reading materials, so if you go through all the reading materials, that's going to take you longer. But going through the videos doesn't take very long, maybe a couple of hours. And then, of course, I highly recommend you read all the reading materials that I provide to you so that you can learn more if you're wanting to get into the space, if you decide that you do want to get in the space. And again, I will be adding more content. I'm working on more courses in my free time to add to that. So feel free to check it out. I'm getting good feedback so far on it. Please, I do want your feedback on it. As some of the feedback is asking for some things that I kind of think that you don't know how much work it takes to make these courses. So it will, if I'm not able to offer everything that you ask for, but do ask for it. Please go ahead and ask, because you never know, maybe in the future I will be able to, especially if it's in the future it's not just me. If I'm able to like get more people on board to help make these courses, that would be awesome. So go ahead and ask, and I do take that seriously, so go ahead and ask. I'm not trying to discourage you from that. I do want to know. So go ahead and ask. I may not be able to do it right away, but go ahead and ask.